Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and I have another combination of colors for you for our color coordinates, and I'm calling this one Stripe Summer Fun. For this color coordinates, I have cut 1/4 inch strips of the Simons Stamp cardstock, so I have soft navy, leaf green, AUDREY blue, lavender, and sea glass. I also have 2 panels of Simons Stamp 110 white cardstock. And I've also cut up a couple sheets of the Stick It paper, and this is the double-sided thin sticky sheet. And I've decided to slide in a little bit of shine with the Tonic silver silk paper. To get started on my card, I am cutting my 2 pieces of white cardstock at an angle, and this will start me off in adding my strips. So that I can stick these to the back, I'm adding that Stick It paper just to the back of that angled cut card, peeling away that backing and then pressing that just onto the area of the card. Once I flip that over, I have exposed sticky, and now I can start adding my strips. I'm going to start off with the soft navy first, and I'll continue adding these until I have that full corner completed. When I get to the last color of my coordinates, I start back over using the navy and then again the leaf green. To clean my panel up, I am using my trimmer and I'm just trimming those edges, and I have done 2 panels. So on the second panel, I'll be die cutting this U, and this is by the Stamp Market, and I'm placing my die to where the colors are in the upper left. I've added a little bit of foam tape to the back of my letters, so I've just cut up some smaller pieces so that they would fit around each letter. I'll peel off a piece from each of these, and I'll use some lint from my sleeve just to get a temporary tack to that foam tape. Before pressing everything down, you may want to use a T-square ruler to make sure you have all your letters lined up. And once you do, you can peel off the rest of the foam tape underneath and press those down in place. To finish this card off, I have die cut the word for with that silver silk paper from Tonic, and I'm adding some of the Simons Stamp glue to the back side, and I also have an adapter on my glue bottle. Once I have glue on the back, I can place this right on top of the word U. I like the super clean, crisp look of this card, and I think the colors go really well together. They could also be used for a masculine card if you wish. And it's so fast and easy to create some stripes. I hope you have fun cutting up some papers and making some cards. Remember to check out our blog post, which I have a link to below. That will lead you to some printable PDFs of all of the color coordinates that we've had to date, so you can make your own swatch book. And as always, thanks so much for watching.